Have you ever wondered how to earn money from home? Well, you're not alone. The world is rapidly shifting towards a digital economy, and numerous opportunities are springing up for those who are ready to embrace this change. Today, we're going to break down one of the most effective ways to earn money from home: blogging. Imagine transforming your thoughts into words and those words into cash. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, that's the power of blogging. Now, a question might pop into your mind: how do I start a blog? It's simple. First, you need to create a website. There are several platforms out there to help you do this, but one of the most popular ones is WordPress. WordPress is a user-friendly platform that helps you create and customize your website without any coding knowledge. Once you've set up your website, the next step is to learn about keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines. By using the right keywords in your content, you can make your blog more visible on search engines like Google. There are several online tools available to help you find the right keywords for your content. Now, armed with your keywords, it's time to create content. But not just any content. You need to write SEO, or search engine optimization optimized content. This means creating content that includes your chosen keywords in a natural and reader-friendly way. With your SEO optimized content, you're ready to publish it on your website. But don't expect to see results overnight. It takes time for your content to rank on Google. Now, here comes the fun part. After some time, you'll start getting traffic to your website. This is when you can apply for Google AdSense. AdSense is a program that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your website. Once you get approval from AdSense, you can start earning money from the traffic coming to your website. So, to summarize, earning money from home through blogging involves these steps. Earning money from home has never been easier. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. So, why wait? Start your blogging journey today and unlock the potential of unlimited earnings. Now, isn't that a delightful thought?